Materials required: colored chart paper, scissors, adhesive, fabric color, blade, paper knife, brush, scale. Take a chart paper and fold a half sheet of it from inside to make 2 creases. Now spread the paper and make a fold inwards at the bottom. Make 2 folds lengthwise to form a crease on each side. Now make 1 fold each breadthwise on the open sides to form 2 creases. Now make 1 fold each breadthwise on the open sides to form 2 creases. Unfold the crease and fold the 2 corners inwards, making 2 triangles. Next, fold the open flaps inwards and paste an elongated strip of chart paper on the fold. Press inwards along the side creases to make 2 folds. Now double fold 2 long strips of chart paper separately to make 2 handles. Paste these on the open sides using adhesive. Now dip the edge of blade in 2 colors, like blue and yellow. Rotate the blade on the bag to make colored designs just like this. You can create different beautiful patterns. Give the design a finishing touch by using a brush and different colors. Your paper carry bag was really simple to make, wasn't it?